Good morning and welcome to the Sagify AI-powered Faculty Development Seminar. We are delighted to have you with us today. Today, we explore how artificial intelligence is transforming higher education across the world. Today's session is not about replacing educators, it is about empowering educators. Together, let's discover how AI can save time, improve teaching, enhance research, and create richer learning experiences. As educators, we have an incredible opportunity to lead this transformation. This seminar is designed to help you understand AI, experience it firsthand, and confidently begin using it in your academic work. Over the next 3 hours, you will learn how to use powerful AI tools to create engaging content and save time. You'll practice using leading AI platforms such as ChatGPT, Microsoft Copilot, Gemini, Claude, and Notebook LM. This is not a lecture, this is a hands-on learning experience. The best way to learn AI is by using AI. At the end of today's seminar, every participant will receive a digital certificate of participation and LMS access. Together, let's build future-ready classrooms and institutions. Welcome to the Sagify AI-powered seminar.